So, hi guys! By the way, it's me Margie again! So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking TikTok compilation. So, watch this!
Good evening, guest services. How can I help you?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Actually, my English is not good.
Okay.
But you know Tom and Jerry?
Yes, the cartoon.
Yeah. Jerry is here in my room.
I'm sorry.
Jerry is here in my room.
You have a mouse in the room.
Yeah. Please come here and when you come here, bring Tom with you.
But we don't have Tom in the hotel.
Okay. Come, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Magsilabas kayo! Labas! Kayong lahat!
Okay, Muhammad. I go to the store, I buy you 4 wives. You pick which one you like, okay? The first one I have for you here, her name Maryam. She has very nice nose, very small nose. You don't find the small nose a lot, okay? Look here, you don't find it lots. You don't like? Okay, go. The next one I got for you, her name Zahra. Very funny girl, very funny. She makes me laugh. She makes me laugh all the time. You don't like? Okay, go. أحدى. The third one I have here, her name Jana. Her daddy very rich, we need the rich, we need the money. You don't like? لك يلعن أبوك. Go. The last one I have here, her name Isra. She has the very nice teeth. You don't like كمان. أحدى يلعن أبوك يا محمد. You never listen to me. You're going to die by yourself. You know that?
O yan, umpisa na tayo ng live. Magtitinda na tayo. Nagkamag-abangan muna ako ng viewers. Hoy, wala maingay! Magtitinda ako! O, ayan ang mga madam ha. Live selling tayo ha. Mind lang sa may gusto. Pag ayaw, wag nang manood ha. Ayoko mapagod dito. Kaya nagtitinda ako dito. Hindi ako nag-shoutout ha. Mga paninda ko. Una, first items. First item, wag magta-type agad. Wala kayong first items, wag muna mag-type. Hindi nyo pa nakita yung ibibenta. Type kayo agad ng type. O, first items. Saging na piling. Saba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 na piraso na saba. Hindi isang dosena, 18 piraso. O, main sa may gusto ha. Pag hindi magbili, hindi ako nagsasayang ng laway dito. Nagtitinda ako ha. Pag hindi bibili, wag na manood, wag na mag-type. Mga bugas buyer pa naman kayo. Sige na.
Cardo! Oh, ikaw! Matagal na akong nanonood ng probinsyano, pero hindi pa kita nakikita nag-birthday. Kailan ka ba mag-birthday?
Hoy! Di lagi magkatugtog. Wa pagay kakahumag panglimpyo niya matog na... Still lang, wa pagay mahumag panglimpyo niya matog na dayon.
I could take your mans if I want to.
Say it again.
I could take your mans if I want to.
Get your ass up. Say it again.
I could take your man if I want to.
Bitch, try to take my mans.
Ay, ang ganda ng sinasabi ng horoscope ko. Inday? Inday?
Yes po.
Inday, anong zodiac sign mo?
Ano po yung zodiac sign?
Zodiac sign, yung halimbawa, Cancer.
Sa akin po, Almoranas. Masakit-sakit nga po minsan, ma'am.
Come closer. What is the sound of one hand clapping?
I don't know. What is the sound of what?
Problema isa Problema isa Problema.
So, nakita nyo na guys. So, ayun na yung guys yung mga video ko sa TikTok. Madami pa yan. Pero yung iba, pinipili ko lang yung ano ina-upload ko. Okay guys, salamat sa pag-watch. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye!